Google Drive is a powerful tool for small businesses looking to use a learning management system or an LMS for training. It is user-friendly, it's collaborative, and it offers a variety of features that make it well-suited for training purposes. Here are some best practices for using Google Drive as an LMS for training in small businesses. Number 1, organize your content. Have a clear and concise organized structure for your training content. Folders will help you stay organized and help you organize your content by course. Number 2, use Google Docs for training material. Google Docs is a great tool as it allows multiple users to work on the same document at the same time. And this is especially useful for group projects or collaborative learning. Okay, number 3, use Google Forms for assessments. Google Forms can create assessments and quizzes, and they can be easily administered and graded within Google Drive. You can create a variety of question types, such as multiple choice and matching, and it can provide automatic grading for certain question types. Number 4, use Google Sheets for tracking progress. Google Sheets can be used to track the progress of your learners. You can use it to create spreadsheets that track the completion of courses, assessments, and other training activities as well. Number 5, use Google Slides for creating presentations. Google Slides can create interactive and engaging presentations. You can use it to create slide decks that include a variety of multimedia elements such as videos and images and audio clips. By following these best practices, you can effectively use Google Drive as a learning management system for training in your small business. It's user-friendly, it has a great interface, it's collaborative, it makes it a powerful tool for developing and managing training content. I'm Christina, the CEO of Purpose Design, and this is your quick tip on using Google Drive as an LMS.